The Path to Unity by Benjamin Krem's Master. A Master Speaks, Volume 2, page 163. When the history of this unique time is written, men will realize, perhaps for the first time, how important, how central, have been the recent events in the Middle East. In an astonishing 6 months, following the example of the people of Tunisia and Egypt, the inhabitants of many Middle Eastern countries, subdued and locked into centuries-old tribal dictatorial regimes, have risen and demanded their right to freedom and democracy, to social justice and work. What media call the Arab Spring is costing many lives and much suffering for these courageous people who die willingly for freedom, for their brothers and children. They are called and are indeed martyrs. From now on, this same phenomena will manifest throughout the world. Already, many peoples are organizing themselves to do likewise. A blueprint for change has caught the imagination of many millions and soon will command the attention of the world. Men have understood that when organized and brave, they are invincible. Nothing can halt this movement for change. It embodies the concepts of the future and of the plan. Maitreya has given it voice, which is now the voice of the peoples of the world. The old order seeks in every way to halt the progress of this movement for change, but it cannot stand forever against the principles of life, ever changing, ever remaking its form to better express the nature of that life. Thus it is today, and thus the old will wither and the new shoots flourish, as men seek to express and manifest better the principles of the new time. Sharing, justice, right relationship, love, and unity. Man, verily, is on his way. Naught can halt his further progress if he thinks in terms of unity. All men seek unity, but are confused by different paths. Hold ever before you the principles of unity and love, and the way discloses itself. Thus spoke Maitreya in Cairo, in Tahrir Square. The best of those who heard him will lead their brothers and sisters and show them the way. The simple way to brotherhood and peace, justice, and manifested love.